If your Instagram messages aren't sending, receiving, or loading, here's a simple fix you can try. First, check your account status for violations. For this, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the hamburger menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the More Info and Support section, and tap on Account Status. Here, select Features You Can't Use. If there are any violations or restrictions, that could be the reason your messages aren't working. Similarly, check the same with Availability under 18. If everything looks fine, move on to the next step. Second, offload and reinstall Instagram. Close the Instagram app and open the Settings app on your iPhone or Android device. Scroll down just a bit and tap on General. Here, select iPhone Storage. Scroll and look for the Instagram app and then open it. Next, tap on Offload App and confirm the same from the pop-up as well. After that, reinstall Instagram. This installs the latest version of Instagram while also clearing cached and temporary files that may be causing the issue. Now exit the Settings app and open the Instagram app. This fixes the issue and your messages should be working on Instagram. And that's it.